In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate page in Zen browser. Now, the first thing you can do is actually translate the entire page. So if you want to do this, go to the page you would like to translate, click on those three dots at the very top left, and here it's going to say translate page. Click on that and it's going to pop up this box here where you can select what you want to translate from and into what you want to translate. So if I go from English, because this is in English over here, and then I can just select a random language over here. So let's, for example, say German. You can then just select, click on translate, wait for a few seconds, and this is going to translate your page over here. Now this is going to apply for as long as you are on the website, and if you just refresh the website, it's going to go back to the original language. So that's the first thing you can do. However, you can also translate only parts of the website by just basically selecting that part, right-clicking, and clicking on translate section to German, or of course to whatever language. It's going to pop up like this. You can select from which language to which language over here, and it's going to translate, and then you can click done, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.